The company believes that its deep penetration in Indian markets through its hub and spoke framework based expansion of branches utilizing digital capabilities has achieved low opening expense ratios, contributing to the economies of scale. To brief you about the issue, the base issue size is of 250 crores with a green shoe option of 250 crores, totaling the issue size to 500 crores. The NCDs has been rated as IND A- stable by India Ratings and Research Private Limited. The issue is scheduled to open on Monday, August 18th and scheduled to close on August 31st. The face value of the NCDs is 1000 and the minimum application is of 10 NCDs with a 1000 rupees application mode thereafter. There are 4 categories, category 1, 2, 3, 4. Category 1 representing QIB, 2 corporate, 3 HNI and 4 retail. There are 5 series NCDs carrying fixed monthly coupons and having a tenure of 400 days, 2 years, 3 years and 5 years and 6 years, and 4 series with cumulative payout having a tenure of 400 days, 2 years, 3 years and 6 years. Effective yield ranges from 9% to 12.25% for all category of investors. The NCDs are proposed to be listed on Bombay Stock Exchange Limited. The allotment shall be made on a first come first served basis. I now invite Mr. Umesh Mohan to address the gathering and run through the company's presentation.
Good afternoon, friends. I'd like to welcome each and every one of you to this function of our NCD launch. And firstly, I would like to start by thanking you from the bottom of my heart for making all the way up here amidst of the busy schedule what you all are trying to do. I know there's been a lot of IPOs and a lot of announcements and everything around the corner. But again, I would like to thank you for making all the way over here. So I'll just quickly continue on what Lokesh said just now, and I'd like to invite you to the presentation. So as you've been aware that our issue opens on 18th August 2026 and issue close date is 31st August 2026. We've got the disclaimers. And just to index it out, we have indexed it out as the first portion to be leadership and governance, second is the corporate strategy, and third is the company snapshot, fourth is the financial performance, fifth is the business summary, sixth is awards and recognition, and seventh is about the NCD public issue as it is. So I would like to give you a snapshot on our lead navigators, our independent directors. We've got Venugopal Bhaskaran Nair, who is our independent director, and he's the next MD of LIC. He was the independent director of the State Bank of India till last year. He still represents the SBI Life Insurance Board. We've got Narasimhalur Venkatesh Srinivasan, who's our independent director, who was the ex-CEO of AMFI and ex-ED of IDBI. We've got Parvati Vairasundar Madam, who's our independent director, who was the ex-ED of RBI. She's still a part of the banking licensing committee of RBI, and she serves on the SBI Cards board also. Then we've got Mr. Ramakrishnan Shashikumar, who's our independent director, who's an ex-MD of State Bank of India. Then we've got the rest of the director board, where Mohan Gopalakrishnan is our managing director. He's a 37 years experience veteran, and Umesh Mohan, who's the full-time director, that is me. And I come from an investment banking background with around 20 years of experience. We've got Kavita Menon, who's our non-executive director. We've got Salil Venu, who's another non-executive director who comes from an administration background. And we've got Anantaraman Tripur Ramachandran, who is our non-executive director, and he's a practicing chartered accountant too. And I would like to take you through our senior management team. We've got Umesh Mohan, who serves as the ED and CEO of the organization. We've got Jijit Raj Tekel, who serves as our Chief Business Officer. He comes from an immense experience of 20 plus years of BFSI experience. We've got Sudesh Priya, who is the Chief Operating Officer. He also comes from 20 years plus of BFSI experience. We've got Vinod Panikar, who is our Chief Financial Officer. He's got 35 years of plus of experience in the BFSI sector. We've got KNC Nair, who's our virtual Chief Informed CIO, who has got more than 45 years of experience in the BFSI sector. We've got Chandrasekhar Nair Sati, who's our Chief Compliance Officer. He's an ex-DG of SBI. We've got Hana P. Nazar, who's our Company Secretary, who's got 15 years of the BFSI experience. We've got Sri Kumar PA, who's our Head of Credit. who is an ex-DG of SBI. We've got Anup C. Nair, who is the head of human relationships. He's got an experience in the BFSI sector for more than 18 years. And we've got Redeemable NCDs, who is the head of internal audit. He was the ex-head of internal audit for Federal Bank, and he's got more than 45 years of experience in the BFSI sector. We've got Prasad Chandan, who is the third-party vertical head, basically the head for Forex for us. He himself has got 20 plus years of BFSI experience. We've got Chanchal, who's Vice President Corporate Marketing Communications. We've got Ravi Shankar, who's head of admin and infra, again coming from a BFSI background of more than 15 years plus. We've got Narayan Prashad, who's our head of accounts, again coming with 25 years of plus with various background experience. So to take you to the company snapshot, FY24, we were at an AUM of 1,533.83 crores, where we had 280 branches and 1,453 employees, where the total disbursement was around 3,263.81 crores, and income was around 291.13 crores, where the PAT was around 39.86 crores, and net worth was around 211.18 crores. And FY25, we closed our AUM at 2,334.43 crores, and our branches were 368, and we had an employee strength of 1,872, and the total disbursement what we had was around 5,542 crores, with an income of 330 crores and a PAT of 44.57 crores and net worth of 319.45 crores. And how we closed FY26 is that we pushed our AUM to 4,103.9 crores, where we closed around 374 branches with 2,092 employees, and our disbursement crossed 13,999.57 crores, and our income literally doubled to 605.95 crores, and our PAT, we touched 123.96 crores, which is mainly the 3x of what we did last year. The net worth was 631.76 crores, which was a double of what we were last year, and we were rated A-. And giving you a snapshot of where we closed this quarter, actually we are at the 4,500 plus of AUM with around 413 branches with around 2,300 employees. So in terms of AUM, FY24 onwards, if you look at the shift what we had, we went from 1,533.83 crores to 4,103.9 crores, and the total income where we had clocked 291.13 crores, we took it all the way up to 605.95 crores, and the total expenses what we had were 251.27 crores, we had to take it to 481.98 crores. The PAT we had at 39.86 crores, and FY24 we took it all the way to 123.96 crores, and the ROA what we had was 3.2, we clocked FY26 at 3.34, and the ROA from 18.88% of FY24 we took it to 19.62%. To give a detail on the financial performance, if you look at the key financial indicators, you look at the total balance sheet size, FY24 we had a balance sheet size of 1,244.93 crores, and FY25 we had 1,877.27 crores, and FY26 we closed it at 3,716.55 crores. Our net worth, FY24 we were at 211.18, we took it to 319.45 crores in FY25, and FY26 we took it to 631.76 crores. Our total AUM, we closed FY24 at 1,533.83 crores, where we took it to 2,334.43 crores in FY25, and FY26 we took it all the way up to 4,103.9 crores. The GNPA at FY24 we were at 4.98%, where we took it to 1.91% in FY25, and FY26 we took it to 1.65%. Similarly, the NPA where we were at 3.17% of FY24, we took it all the way to 1.54% at FY25, and we brought it down to 1.3% at FY26. ROA we were at 3.2% in FY24, 2.35 at FY25, and FY26 at 3.34, and the ROA we were at 18.8%. FY25 we had at 13.95%. We again brought it back to 19.62%. A snapshot on the profitability and capital adequacy. If you see FY24, we had a PAT of 39.86 crores in FY25, we had a PAT of 44.57 crores. FY26, we had a PAT of 123.96 crores. You see the capital adequacy, we were at 22.6 at FY24. In FY25, we have brought it to 20.52. In FY26, we're still holding fort at 20.47. And in terms of cost to income ratio, FY24, we were at 61.99. FY25, we are at 68.65, and FY26, we closed it at 52.31. If you look at the promoter equity infusion, we had an infusion of 10 crores at FY24, 100 crores in FY25, and 189 crores at FY26. So just to give a snapshot on the business summary, so we have a gold loan portfolio, which is the majority of the portfolio, which is 94.08%, and the rest is contributed by the personal loans, loan against property, and the business loans. So if you look at the breakup above, you could see the gold loan, which was 1,382.52 crores at FY24, was all the way up to 2,178.38 crores for FY25, and all the way up to 3,860.83.15 at FY26. And currently around 4,200 plus crores now. So the loan against property, we had a 25 crore portfolio at FY24, and FY25 we had a 70 crore portfolio, and FY26 we have a 75.14 crores. And the business loans, we had a 59.85 crores of portfolio. FY25 we have 44.4 crores, and FY26 we have 65.77. In terms of the personal digital loan, we have FY24 we had 66.44 crores and 41.26 crores at FY25. FY26 we were 102.15 crores. And in terms of total disbursement, we look at year on year. FY24 we had a disbursement total of 3,263.81 crores. FY25 we had a total disbursement of 5,542.3 crores. In FY26 we did a disbursement of 13,999.57 crores. So in terms of awards and recognitions, we were awarded the best brand in 2024 by ET Now with the first brand conclave, and we have been awarded a great place to work 5 years in a row. So we are India ratings rated A- stable. Now to give you a gist on the 7th public issue of the secured rated listed and redeemable non-convertible debentures, we actually call it 7th. We would like to say that we do a public issue only once a year. We don't do it very frequently in every year. We don't do it frequently within a year itself. So the key terms and features of the issue is that we've got 500 crores of issue, where base issue is 250 crores and the green shoe option is 250 crores. The face value is 1,000 rupees and the minimum lot size is 10 NCDs. The tenure ranges from 400 days to 72 months. The coupon rate ranges from 9 to 11.5%. The effective annual yield range comes from 9 to 12.525% based on the tenure. The issue open date is 18th August and the issue close date is 31st of August. And this is the chart of the base issue size is 25 lakhs and the green shoe is the base issue is 250 crores and the green shoe is 250 crores, making the total issue size of around 500 crores. It's 100% secured, and to give you more gist on the breakups, we've got a 400 days coupon with an effective yield of monthly of 9.38, and we have got a cumulative 400 days with an effective yield of 9%, and we've got a 24 months coupon with a monthly of effective yield of 9.91% and a 24 months cumulative with an effective yield of 9.5%, and a 36 month with an effective yield of 10.46% on a monthly basis and a cumulative of 36 months at 10%. And then we've got 60 months, which is on a monthly basis, we've got an effective yield of 11.56, and we've got 72 months on a cumulative effective yield of 12.25%. So basically, it's doubling of your investment, and 72 months monthly, we've got an effective yield of 12.12. And the category is being broken, as you all are aware. We've got institutional investors, non-institutional investors, high net worth and individual, investors and retail investors, and institutional investors have got 10% of the issue, non-institutional has got 30%, high net worth has got 30%, and the retail individual investors has got around 30%. So we would like to share key snapshots on why us. So 94.08% is the gold loan share of the total loan portfolio as of March 31st, 2026 will be poised to keep as the gold loan share as high as possible. So when it's secured, it's actually basically secured by the gold assets itself. We've got 2,283 employees forming a robust workforce as on June 30, 2026. We've got 397 branches in India with presence in 12 states and 4 union territories in India as on June 2026. We've got an advanced technology and established process, which is the Indel Money app and the eConnect portal. We've got a robust capital base with a crore of 20.47% versus the 15% minimum RBI requirement. We've got around 299 crores worth of promoter equity within the business itself. We've got experienced management and a skilled team, which includes the 2,283 employees. We've got diverse funding and liquidity management, where it includes the banks, NBFCs, NCDs, and securitization. No single lender is greater than 15% of the own funds. And a growing branch network across India, 397 branches, 12 states, 4 union territories. Strong financial track record with a gold loan AUM of 3,860.83 crores with 13,999 crores of disbursement in FY26. So just to give you a glimpse on the issue partners, I would like to say our credit rating agencies, India Ratings, and our lead managers are Trust, Nuvama, and IDBI Capital, and a consortium membership team formed along with the lead broker, that is Motilal Oswal, Trust, Nuvama, and IDBI Capital. We've got our division trustee for this issue as Beacon. We've got legal advisors at Ketan and Company. We have statutory auditors at Karnavati and Company, and the registrar is MUFG.